Yesterday, the Harare Magistrate Court was packed to the brim with citizens who came to support Jameson Timber and the 78 individuals who were wrongly arrested with him at his home last week. They were badly assaulted and jailed up to now. Muri Zimbabwe ashperi mushe muzara nezuro aiwa tinoona kuti magistrate court panga pakazara vanhu vachijamukira kuti aiwa they must release Timber and the 78 activists. Sabe na mashoko ayanotaurwa pana pana Hopewell Chin'ono kuti bo subscribe like kuti na on the bell icon. Tipinda paendo pakanyora chiti this convergence by citizens is the only language that the ZANU-PF regime understands. A peaceful show of force in the streets. It is legal, and it is also legal to go into streets if everything else fails. The right to demonstrate and petition is enriched in Section 59 of the Zimbabwean Constitution. This section states every person has the right to demonstrate and to present petitions, but these rights must be exercised peacefully. This provision guarantees the citizens the right to protest and petition the government peacefully. The bail hearing has been postponed to 27 June at 11 a.m. Ashperi mushe muri Zimbabwe ndo language yavari kuti ZANU-PF inokwanisa kuunderstanda kuti tipine mumastreets tidemonstrate. Noda kuti kana tinge takanyarara havatinzwisisi, kana tinge tingotaura havatinzwisisi, asi tikapinda mumastreets according to section 59 kuti tikaprotesta peacefully they might understand. Mashoko atokwa na Hopewell Chin'ono ayapinda kumene section medu mutiza mafungiro enyu ava musanga no subscribe kulike tinotina on the bell.